Hello friends, today in this video we will understand that what is the trading strategy and how does it work. So trading strategy is nothing but our plan to work in the stock market. So we have to make few strategy and with the help of this strategy we can work in the stock market on continuous basis. We have to wait for the strategy when the stock reach on this point, then only we will take the trade and we will run our trade as per our logic only. So we will understand that how can we make the strategy. So for this process we have to read book, we have to see videos and we have to take training through webinar or seminar, and then only we have to find out the logical contents from this platform, and then we have to write down it, and on behalf of this we should make our strategy, our plan, and after that we have to do backtesting of this logical point. When we feel that this logic is applying in the stock market, then only we should add this plan on our strategy. And first of all, we should start with a limited amount. And after getting confidence, when we feel that our strategy is working properly, then only we can do work as per our risk appetite theory. So strategy is nothing but logic. Logic to buy the stock, logic to add the stop loss, and logic where we should book the profit from the trade. So it's totally a logical point. And on backtesting process we have to check that the logic is workable on the market or not. Is the logic working? If the logic working 70, 80, or 90%, then it's a good strategy. We have to follow this. Don't wait for 100% because there is no strategy in the world who is working at every time or 100%. So we should take high probability strategy. We should take high probability trade. Then only we can get the success at every time, at every cost, at every moment. We have to follow the strategy because there is a lot of hard work required to make a single strategy. We have to read the book, we have to see the videos, and we have to make the contents, logical contents, and we have to get the training. And after conclude this, we make a strategy that I will do this, and then we will do the back testing because we will not take risks for a single rupees without complete satisfaction. When we satisfy that this strategy is workable, then only we will invest our money on this strategy. So believe on yourself, believe on your hard work, and do as per your hard work only, as per your strategy only. Don't believe on tip provider, don't believe on social media person and news channel. Don't believe that they will come in the morning and they will tell you to take these 20 stock, buy these 20 stock, and at this price you should sell these 20 stock and you can make the money with this process. It's not possible. It's my experience and I done this. That's why I'm saying that if you do this process, then you will lose your money. And try to understand the importance of money. It's the lifeline of your family. It's the saving, is the hard earned money which makes by you with lot of hard work. So try to understand that if you lose this money, then how you fulfill your responsibilities. You do not have right to make trouble for your family with your bad decision, with your wrong decision. So try to understand and try to go in the depth. Do hard work, do work as per your capacity, and when you feel that you are confident and now your process is ready to work, then only you should invest your real money on the market. So again I'm saying that believe on yourself only. You cannot believe on any other person in the market. We can take an example of a new channel. What I saw last few days back, the anchor usually come on the TV show and he generally said that you have to buy the stock on this price and you have to wait till this price, and then only you can make the money. And what the blunder he did, he already buy the stock, and when the stock reach on the upside, move on the upside, then he exit from the trade, and me and you hang with this stock because of his bad advice, wrong advice. So try to understand that no one is yours in the stock market. You are, and your hard work is yours on the stock market. So try to make confidence on yourself. The if the other person make the trading plan, then how you cannot do? You have to read the things. You have to understand the process, and then you have to work as per your requirement or as per your understanding only. So at the end of the video, I want to say that I want to focus on this point that dosto believe on yourself only, believe on your hard work only, and do as per your plan only. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for your precious time, and I hope you learn something. I did this mistake, that's why I'm asking you to do not follow the others. Follow the others for learning new things only. Make contents to get success in the market. You can take the training, you can saw the video of a professional trader, and you can read the book of this professional trader, and then you can make your own contents, logical contents, and on behalf of these contents you can do work in the stock market. But before backtesting, you will not invest your single rupees without backtesting, without complete satisfaction. This is my personal suggestion to all of you. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.